You see that? That's a unibrow. And we're gonna wax that right off.
Get a nice look in here. Can you zoom in?
Yeah, I can zoom in all I want.
Zoom in right there.
Well, I want to get my live reaction.
Something like that. Oh yeah. Maybe that's something he already kind of like has an interest in, like
Alright. If I do two.
What? I'm ready.
You ready?
Oh, that's hot. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh.
Are you ready?
Ready as I'll ever be. Oh, my God. Ah! Oh!
Don't touch it, don't touch it. Because if you touch it, it will break up. Okay, let's get a zoom in on that.
Oh my god. That's just from my eyebrow.
For you all to stay on.
Oh no.
Yep.
Got a couple little random.
Ow.
How do you feel? Don't touch it, it'll break out.
Ow. It's more painful than I was expecting.
You are now a man.
Yeah. Ow.
At least he has like a, you know, like a plan and yeah.
Okay. I'm done. See you later.
I'll miss you. We came to stay in the States. Like I don't plan to stay here either, so don't feel like you're hurting me.
Okay, bye.